Chicken farming lessons learned. Avoid these common mistakes in poultry farming. Chicken farming can be a very profitable business if done right. But many farmers, especially beginners, make mistakes that lead to a big loss. These mistakes can affect the bird's health, growth, egg or meat production, and the entire profit you make from that investment. Knowing what to avoid and what to do can save you time, money, and frustration. Let's look at most common mistakes and how to avoid them. Please, whether you are a beginner or an old timer in poultry farming business, relax, bring yourself down and watch this video till the end. There is something for you to learn or grab from this particular content. 15 common mistakes in chicken farming. 1. Starting without a plan. Many farmers start without a knowledge, training, or even farm plan at all. This leads to drastic end. Another one is poor housing design. Many farmers bring in unprofessionals to construct their poultry house. Some bring in engineers or builders just to construct poultry house. Poultry house is a specialized plan that needs the combination of the expertise of poultry farmer and experienced poultry farmer and the construction experts. They need to team up. It's a teamwork. So design poultry farm according to specified standard for livestock animals. Because overcrowding or poor ventilation houses or poor ventilated houses can lead to disease and slow growth rate. Another one is buying low quality chicks. Sourcing chicks from untrusted or random sellers lead to weak birds or poorly bred birds. And most of the times, it leads to drastic end and unprofitable business. Overfeeding or underfeeding is another issue. Improper feed quantity and quality or timing leads to stunted growth or waste of feed. Using the wrong feed type. Giving broilers feed for layers or vice versa can affect their entire performance. Ignoring vaccination and deworming schedule. Skipping vaccines causes outbreaks of deadly diseases that can wipe off all your flock within a short period of time. Lack of clean waters. Dirty water leads to infection and dehydration of your birds, which can lead to stunted growth or even high mortality. Poor record keeping. Most farmers don't keep accurate record of their total farm operations. No record means you cannot track expenses, mortality, or even profit. Mixing old and new birds together. New birds can introduce infections to the existing flock and thereby transmit the infections all over and wipe off all your flock. Overcrowding the poultry house. Birds become stressed, aggressive, and prone to disease if the environment or the pen is overcrowded. Bad waste management. Poor handling of droppings causes smells, flies, and disease outbreak. No biosecurity measures. Many farmers don't keep adequate biosecurity. Visitors, pets, or wild cats, wild birds, wild animals can carry infections into your flock and infect all your poultry birds. All these animals carry infections into your poultry house. Many farmers are fond of bringing in visitors into their poultry house. It is a wrong practice. Please stop it. Many, once they open their poultry farm, the next thing is to gather all engagement, host meeting in the farm. Their parapor meeting, their village meetings, everything will be inside that same farm. It is a wrong practice. Most of them comes in with infections. Most of these viral infections are highly transmittable. They can even ordinary shoe you wear into the pond can infect the whole farm. So please stop it. It is not a very good practice at all. Ignoring sick birds is another one. I know of a farmer that had only few birds that are suffering from fowl pox and coryza. He allowed all the birds together. Within a short period of time, they are up to 60 something now that have the same infection. Please, the first thing you do once you detect any sick bird, separate them from the healthy flocks before you start treating the sick ones. It is very important. If not, it's going to affect all the birds entirely. Leaving sick birds untreated spread disease quickly in the farm. Improper lighting schedule is another mistake. Lights affect laying and feeding. Wrong lighting reduces performance of your birds, both the egg and the meat birds. Selling birds at the wrong time is another one. Delaying sales increases feed costs. Selling too early reduces profit also. So you have to time your selling appropriately. All these things are things you need to put into practice. Now let me give you 10 practical solutions to avoid all this. 1, get proper training before you start poultry farm. Align yourself. Get connected, subscribe and follow a very good trusted channel or page that teaches poultry very well. Get proper training before starting poultry farm is very important. Lessons from experts, books and YouTube channels before investing in poultry farm is very important. And make sure you have a mentor and a supervisor who supervise your farm. Build ventilated and well spacious houses for your poultry birds. Use cross ventilation that gives enough space for your birds to grow. Buy chicks from trusted hatcheries only. Make sure you have trusted hatcheries that supply you quality chicks. It is very important. If you need day-old chicks, we can supply you quality day-old chicks with guarantee. Then ensure you receive vaccinated and healthy day-old chicks always. Use a balanced feeding schedule. Feed at the right time and at the right proportion of the feed. Use the correct feeder and drinkers for your poultry birds. Layers best use grower for them when they start growing, during the growing time. When they start laying egg, change their feed at the right time. This will give them an adequate nutrition for them to lay very well. Follow a strict vaccination schedule. The work at the appropriate time. Yeah, our Eco Bio Booster is always available. All these ones are moving out tomorrow to their different locations. You see, this is a Eco Bio Booster. This is a healthy routine plan for your poultry birds that give them maximum security, maximum immunity, and proper growth and weight at the appropriate time. I've said much about this product. I will stop saying something about it. This is 55k. This is 5 liters. These ones are moving out tomorrow. You can see them. There are many here. You can see them. All these ones, they are different ones. See them. They are moving out tomorrow to different locations: Port Harcourt, Lagos, Aba, Umuahia, Owerri. See them. All these ones, they are different locations. You can see them. Different areas. You can see this one is Port Harcourt also. So make use of good Eco Bio Booster. Is very good product for you to get the best result from your poultry farm. Make sure you have record keeping, always proper record keeping. Practice strong biosecurity measures. Separate new birds from the old ones, and make sure the sick birds are different from the healthy ones. Chicken farming is a very serious business for everybody to do, not a guess work or a game work. The biggest lessons farmers learn usually come after mistakes that cost them huge amount of money and life of birds. But you don't have to repeat these errors always. By avoiding these 15 mistakes I are giving you here and applying the 10 smart solutions I are giving you in this particular video, you can raise healthy birds, reduce losses and mortality, and grow your products and business profitably with confidence. Remember, success in poultry starts with knowledge, planning, and daily attention to details. Follow this channel always and subscribe to all our channels so that you get the best tips to run your poultry in a profitable manner. Thank you for watching the video. Share the video to reach more poultry farmers and drop your comment on the comment section. Ask the questions. I will also be glad to answer your questions and direct you more. Thank you for watching. Till the next video is uploaded in the next channel. For now, bye.